I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Match made coffee box for you. So I did review this 2 years ago. In fact, it was almost exactly 2 years ago. And at that time, they would send you 2 bags of coffee and 2 different cookies. They have since changed it up a little bit, I guess, you know, by demand. And now they send you 1 larger bag of coffee and 2 of the same cookies. That way you can share with somebody if you have, you know, somebody else in your household that likes coffee and cookies. And it's $20 a month, but you can prepay for 3 months or 6 months in advance if you want. When you first sign up, you fill out a profile thing, they ask you a bunch of taste questions, and then they match you with which coffees they think you'll like. So like for me, I don't particularly care for super dark roasts, and you know, I can't remember what else I said. But anyway, so this one that they sent me, Colombian, guys, I don't know how to pronounce anything, so I'm just gonna show it to you, but I will read you the tasting notes. It says, grown in the lush forests of Colombia, this organic roast is highly sought after for its mild yet full-bodied flavor. Enjoy mellow and smooth flavors of milk, chocolate, and vanilla, along with latent notes of cherry and strawberry. This sounds so good. Match pairs well with fruits, cheesecakes, or our cookies and cream milkshake cookie. Yum, I can't wait. This for me is like, this just sounds like perfect afternoon snack, you know, that kind of sweet, creamy deliciousness. So I did brew myself a cup of coffee. This is my first time tasting it, actually. Ah, that smells so good. This is like probably my 75th cup of coffee today. That's all right. Okay, so the cookies, these are, you know, gourmet artisan cookies and artisan coffee and all that wonderful stuff. Okay, so dough, malted milk mix-ins, Oreos, malt balls, guittard, semi-sweet chips, and marshmallows. I died. Oh my God, I cannot wait. So you could get this for yourself every month as just a little extra treat, or I think this would make a fantastic gift for a coffee lover that you know and love. I'm gonna give this a taste. Oh my God. Did I just like neigh? I sounded like a horse right then. Wowzers. Okay. Now let's taste the coffee. I put cream in my coffee, like my Harry Potter mug, but no sugar, which for me is perfect because then when you pair it with something sweet, they're not contradicting each other, you know? They balance each other out. It's rich but mellow. Yum. I don't know if I can taste the fruitiness to it, but it does taste really good. Ah, this is such a wonderful box, you know, and I think it's perfect because I try not to eat too many sweets, but it's, you know, it's only 2 cookies a month, right? So I feel like that's fine, you know, and then you can just kind of, on a really rough day or one of those days where you're like, you know what, I worked out every day this week, I'm gonna have a cookie, or, you know, whatever you want, you know. Oh, to tell you the truth, I don't even know how many ounces this is. It doesn't actually say on the package. That's kind of weird. But it does say that you could make 2 full pots of coffee with this, so however much coffee that is. I always do mine by a single cup since I'm the only one who drinks coffee. I don't make a full pot. I just do it cup by cup. Oh, that smells divine. Okay, when I'm smelling it in here, I can smell a little bit more of the milk chocolate and a little bit of fruitiness. It's not strong though, and I would say more cherry than strawberry. Okay, so I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourselves if you are a coffee lover or know someone who is. This is amazing. I love this box. I love that they pair it for you so that they're not sending you coffees they don't think you'll like, and you get super delicious cookies, and it feels like a super special treat, you know? I love it. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!